What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock your Ninebot F2 Pro, F2 Plus or F2 or any other model of Ninebot scooter using BLE scanner in 2024. So now it's August 2024 and it's time to unlock it. There is some old methods of unlocking are blocked, and today we'll show you how to make it rise 30 km/h even with the latest updated firmware. Even if you already activated, just bought it, and from a box you tried another method, didn't work, so this method should work. So I already did it, as you see. I will show you now. Wait a second. It will go up to 32 km/h. I'm holding it with my leg, of course, and it's going up. Okay, let me stop it. Actually it works and it goes its speed. So let me show you how to do it using BLE scanner and BLE scanner app. You don't need any special tool, just an app and Android phone. So I will back to you. Okay, so I'm here with my Android phone. In case you don't have Android phone, you can use any other phone. But not an iPhone, so I have a Samsung. Please check with your friends or your family. Someone definitely should have Android phone, or just check your old phone, maybe it's Android, so you can do it. On iOS it's not possible, so please pay attention to it. Okay, I downloaded the app BLE scanner. It's available in the Play Market. And what you need to do first, I will show you how it looks like in Segway Ninebot app here. So I've connected my scooter. Okay, power it off, power on. So I'll just show you that how I unlock it, and I have the latest version of master controls for now, 1.4.15. The battery and Bluetooth also updated as well. Let me show you there is no update, so it's the latest version. It's showing that it's Kick Scooter F2 Pro, but for real it's F2 Plus, as I unlocked it before. Okay, let me close the app. You should fully close it. Be sure that it's not connected with your scooter. For stop here and go to BLE scanner. Okay. For iOS device, you have an option also to use Bluetooth assistant, but there is also much more chance that it will work on Android with BLE scanner. But in case you want to try, don't have Android phone, you can try Bluetooth assistant. Okay, get started. Let's discover a nearby device. Okay, clear. Okay, location permission, allow. All right, so you see the scooter here. Click connect. All right, it's connected. So now you need to find out the 6E4000 here, custom service. So basically this one, what you need to find, it's 6E4000. And what you need to do is to click on W here, then select bit array and input the code that already copied, this code. So basically then you click OK. You need to do it several times to be sure that it works. Click one more time, W, click bit array, click pass, click OK. And do it maybe 2, 3, 4, up to 5 times. And sometimes it works from first time. As for me, it works for the first time. Maybe for you it takes longer. And then you just close it after you did it 2, 3 times and go to the app. Then what you need to do, actually, okay, power on. What you need to do after this is to open the settings, go to custom settings of the sport mode and move the maximum speed several times, like this. Better to do it this way. Do it like 5 times. Also you can skip it, even without it it should work, but you can try it one more time like this. And in case it didn't work, so you can also go back again to this app BLE scanner or scanner assistant, again connect, again insert this code that I will provide in a description below, and try it 2, 3, 4, up to 5 times and it should work. Although if you want to return it back, okay, you need to close the app again. I will show you what to do if you want to just revert the speed again to 25 kilometers. So this one, connect here, custom service W, then bit array, paste this code and replace F31 with F30, click OK, will not do it now, and basically also 3 times, and it will be reverted automatically. So let's check it out whether it works. 32 as I promised to you. Okay, it's in parking mode now. I hold the wheel tie, press, and as you see, even 32 is going, so working well. One more time. Okay, it works. So basically that's one of the methods. Also, you can check my channel. I have 2 more options to unlock it in case this option didn't work for you. 2 others may work. Even right now in 2024, I will also keep tracing whether this version is stopped working, this method, or still working. Please leave your comments below if it's worked or didn't work. Also put it thumbs up, and see you next time.